Hey guys, so we're going to be covering changing a 2019 Polaris Sportsman drive belt. Blew mine the other day out on the river. If you guys are curious, part number is 3211160. This is it. About 150 bucks from Polaris. I'm sure you can get them cheaper, but they just don't seem to be as good. And we're gonna get started. Alright guys, first step, jack it up. Make sure you got a jack stand, stay safe. It's a 17 millimeter, 4 lugs. Got the tire off, and the next step is to take off this bar right here so we can get the cover out when we get all the bolts out. That was a 15 millimeter, 4 bolts, got those out. Now it's a 10 millimeter on all these little screws right here to get this cover off. Guys, there's 11 of these screws all through around this cover. They're a little bit tricky to see. There's one right down here. You get 2 from the top underneath the seat. And just when you think you got them all from here, there's one that sits right behind this shaft. It's tricky. Let's see if we can get it. It sits right behind this shaft, right on the other side. 11 total. A little tricky, but we got it. And
there's your problem.
Guys, I think we found the problem. All right. I mean, we might be able to save it. I'm not sure. We'll have to ask the experts if this is savable. Guys, in this nifty toolkit, there's a special tool for this. Don't do that. There we go. Now we can get this off. What this does is it opens up this section right here, just like that. Allows you to get the belt on. All right. Show you how to use this tool again. Got this end of it, all right. Get in there. It's a little weird at first. Once you get it though, it hooks. You just compress like that. Then you get the belt on.
What?
Where's the belt?
Right there. You just got contacts, babe. Get it together.
Just like a bicycle chain, guys. And there we are. Make sure it spins. We're going to clean up all this fuzz in the cover. And we'll put a nice RTV seal around this because we're going to be reusing this gasket. You can see it's got little pinch marks. Wasn't ever perfectly on there. RTV though, that'll seal it right up. I don't know a torque spec on these. What I'm doing though is I'm just going till when the plastic meets it. As you can see, it squeezes it out. I'm doing it by hand, and I definitely am not over tightening. Over tightening, this plastic will strip very easily. I guess the correct terminology would be snug, or a hair over snug. One last thing before we go, there is a Polaris belt break-in period. What it says, to break in a belt, use low gear if applicable, while varying speeds, and avoid wide open throttle for 5 to 10 miles. Just 5 to 10. You just gotta keep it low speed for 5 to 10 miles. If no low gear is available, vary at moderate speeds while avoiding wide open throttle for 50 miles. Breaking a belt is about more than a set number of miles and avoiding high engine RPMs. So I gotta lay off the throttle. You guys should lay off the throttle. All right, thanks for watching.